In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Shopee chats by deleting unwanted conversations efficiently. Whether you're trying to clear up some space or simply want to organize your chat list, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. It's a quick and simple task, but having a clear process can make it all the more streamlined. First, let's start by heading to the Shopee app on your device. This app is available both on Android and iOS, and if you haven't already downloaded it, you'll want to do that to follow along with these steps. Once you've opened the app, you'll see the home screen with a variety of shopping options available. But for today's task, we're focusing on managing your chats, so let's navigate directly to that section. Now direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see an icon labeled Chats. This is where all your communications with sellers and stores are consolidated. Tap on that, and it will bring up a list of all your active conversations. These could range from recent purchase inquiries to ongoing discussions with vendors about the products they offer. If you're looking to delete a chat, perhaps to reduce clutter or remove conversations that are no longer relevant, here's what you need to do next. Beside each chat, you will notice there's a settings option represented by 3 dots. This small icon is key to managing your chat settings. Tap on these 3 dots next to the chat you wish to delete. Once you click on these dots, you'll be presented with several options regarding what you can do with the chat. Among these options, you'll find Delete Chat. Tap on this, and you'll be prompted to confirm your action. This step is crucial as deleting a chat will remove all messages within that conversation permanently, so make sure that this is indeed what you want to do. Once confirmed, the chat will be deleted, leaving your chat list a bit more organized. And that's it. You're done. Deleting chats in Shopee isn't just about decluttering, it's also a great way to keep your communications streamlined, making it easier to find the conversations that matter most to you. It's always a good idea to periodically review your chat list to decide which conversations you no longer need. I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to tidy up your Shopee chat list with ease. Remember, staying organized helps improve your shopping experience, and knowing how to manage your chat settings can save you time and enhance your efficiency with the app. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.